remarks from our host president, Her Excellency Dr. Samia Suluhu, President of the United Republic of Tanzania. This will be followed by the statements from the chairpersons from the East African Community and the Southern African Development Community. I will present their name after Her Excellency gives us the welcome remarks. Your Excellency, you have the floor. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Your Excellency, Dr. Emerson Dambuzo Mnangagwa, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and Chairperson of SADC, Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya and Chairperson of East African Community, fellow heads of state and government from EAC and SADC partner state and member states, honorable ministers, Honorable Veronica Nduva, Secretary General of East African Community, Your Excellency Mr. Elias Mpedi Magosi, the SADC Executive Secretary, distinguished delegates, good morning. It gives me a great pleasure and honor to welcome you all to the United Republic of Tanzania, and more specifically to the city of Dar es Salaam, the haven of peace, for this crucial joint EAC SADC summit convened to deliberate on the prevailing security situation in the Eastern DRC. Tanzania is profoundly honored to host this high-level meeting and remains eternally committed to the objective of promoting peace and security within the region and beyond. Similarly, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to the Executive Secretary of East African Community and SADC and their entire teams for effectively coordinating this meeting within a short time. Excellencies, as we are all aware, DRC, a member of both the EAC and SADC, is still facing prolonged conflicts whose impact has transcended its borders and so creating far-reaching effects in neighboring countries. For the last couple of weeks, we have witnessed the spread of violence that has caused massive harm to human life, human displacement, and insecurity, which affected economic activities and disrupted cross-border trades. As regional leaders, history will judge us harshly if we remain still and watch the situation worsen day by day. And in line with the principle of African solutions for Africa's problems, our countries have a collective responsibility to ensure we urgently address the existing security challenges that have heavily impacted the well-being of innocent civilians. This joint summit meeting presents an opportunity to recommit our collective efforts in addressing the conflicts and reaffirm our sustainable peace and stability in the entire EAC and SADC regions. It is crucial that we find a durable solution that upholds sovereignty, promotes inclusivity, and ensures that the people of DRC can enjoy durable peace and security that they have been yearned for decades. Excellencies, as a steadfast advocate for peace in Africa, Tanzania is deeply concerned about the persistent insecurity in Eastern DRC. The ongoing conflict not only destabilizes our brotherly nation, but also put serious dents on our consistent efforts to enhance regional integration. My country remains committed to supporting ongoing diplomatic initiatives to end conflicts in Eastern DRC, and so we call on all parties involved in the DRC conflict to positively engage in negotiations, prioritize the well-being of its people, and commit to peaceful coexistence. Excellencies, Our gathering here in Dar es Salaam should be an opportunity for us to have serious reflections and engage constructively on what needs to be done to assist our fellow member states in addressing security challenges. Despite the woven complexity of the matter we are dealing with, we should be confident that this meeting will come up with concrete proposals and measures to urgently address the existing challenges so as to avoid an impending humanitarian catastrophe. As active members of EAC and SADC, we have to remain resolute in our quest to see peaceful and stable regional blocs, with our countries standing tall and harmoniously coexisting. It is therefore my humble request to you, my colleagues, let us be united in our efforts to end violence, foster stability, and create an environment where peace, security, and development can thrive. With these few remarks, I once again extend my warmest welcome to all of you and wish you productive deliberation. Asante sana, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup, obrigado. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency, President of the United Republic of Tanzania. I would like to make an apology to the Republic of South Sudan. I think in my presentation I slipped off and omitted the South. Honorable Den Aloyquo, Minister of East African Community Affairs, he's from Republic of South Sudan. Thank you. The next presentation will be remarks from the co-chairpersons of this joint summit of East African Community and Southern African Development Community Summit. The co-chairpersons will be His Excellency Dr. William Samuel Ruto, CGH, President of the Republic of Kenya and Chairperson of East African Community. And the co-chair is His Excellency Dr. Emerson Dambuzo Mnangagwa, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and Chairperson of SADC. So we're going to start with remarks from His Excellency